Okay, so welcome to another episode of BA Performance, and what's going on today, Marshall?
Well, instead of getting ready for a drift event, we got snow and that got canceled.
Yeah,
But,
we didn't have any earlier last week.
Thankfully, the reliable BMW broke down,
Yep.
and so the seatbelt Butler on the passenger side, we wear winter jackets and it gets caught and stuff. So it right now it's jammed and it's making a really weird noise.
Yeah, that's the problem one over there.
Yeah, we'll see if we can reenact that now and get it to do it again.
Put it in the.
Started.
Well, I probably got to go open the other side, huh?
See, I can open it.
All right, no, I got it. I'm coming over there.
I'm sure mine goes. Here,
And that's what it does. Oh, hey, it worked this time.
came out, yep.
That's something else. It doesn't catch anything, but
until it tries to go back in.
it's taking longer than I thought it would. I just leave it here. It will go back. I've seen it do it before.
So as you can hear, it's broken.
Yeah, it's not happy. Holy cow, it's angry. Shut it off. Shut it off. It's fixed.
So there is obviously a problem here. Let's see if we can
Let's see what we can do about
resolve it.
Yeah. To the right side.
Okay, guys. So when it got jammed, this piece of trim came like falling off. I think this got like jammed in the mechanism or something. So we pulled the whole thing out, and there's a track here. We're just gonna try and put this back on there and slide it in and see if that will help it stop spazzing out on us.
Yeah, let's see what happens.
Okay. I totally thought it was. I can tell that motor's just like a little cog and it's running on the back side of there or whatever.
Mm-hmm. I don't want to keep pushing it in.
Angry?
Doesn't want to go easily.
How far in is it, would you say?
Not that far
enough. Let me come over there and play with it a little bit.
Yeah, I don't want to be the one to play.
Yeah, that's exactly. I was like, oh, I don't know what to tell you to do until I get my hands on it and break it myself. Okay, guys, today's beer is this Life in the Clouds.
This is number 8.
Oh yeah, Collective Arts number 8, hazy, very good.
Quaffable.
9 of 10.
Don't drink and drive, kids.
10 of 10. This piece is definitely supposed to like clip onto there somehow. Like on that side, it's really tight.
Right. Pulls right out, no problem though. I don't think that's one.
It's only tipped over this far.
So BMW saved your beer.
BMW saved the beer. Well, it's a German beer.
Oh yeah, that's why I saved it. It makes sense. It's not German beer at all, by the way.
No, not even close. Uh-huh. You know what I see back there?
Nothing?
Well, I see some things, but nothing makes any more sense to me than what I got here.
That does, yeah. That actually makes sense.
Oh yeah, that seems to go in there.
That's what she said. Well, he broke that now.
Yeah, see the problem there is it's not...
Yeah, now it's latched. No, you just, no.
It's supposed to close in like that.
Yeah, now push it all the way in.
So this should be like forward.
Push it all the way in. We'll see what it does when the car turns on.
Okay.
You have to get in.
To shut the door, you think?
Yeah, you'll have to.
No, just the button once.
Watch.
Yeah, huh? We're in. Hello.
Mine came out. Mine's going back in. No, don't mess with it because the actual motor never even made noise, so.
There it went in, but it's not hitting. Here. Oh, it's working!
Alright.
Okay, now let's see if it goes back in. Do I have to like clip the seatbelt in or open the door, you think?
Neither. You just gotta wait. Or...
There you go. It's working now, but it's not folding in here.
Let's try it again, huh?
But I'm okay with that.
Perfecto.
Okay, I can oh, can we get it to come back open?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll get it to open once again. Okay, will it stay there, you think? No, not as soon as I open it, it doesn't. I can't get...
Do we have it come out?
Yes. Okay guys, so it's gonna be really hard to see, but where where it goes in there, there's one slot for this piece here, and then that piece that fell out goes in another slot over there, and it stopped making the... What noise would you say that was? Like a stutter?
It was like a plastic grinding noise.
Yeah, like the motor or the cog was definitely not doing what it was supposed to be doing. And it seems to be working now. You want to close it one more time? Pretty flawless now. It's not tucking in like it should be, but it also isn't spazzing out all crazy. So we're going to call that a win.
Better. Yeah.
Win for today.
Yep. All right.
You get your beer?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, you can end the episode.
All right. So, you know, like, subscribe, make sure you leave a comment, hit the notification bell, and, you know, as always, guys, peace out and have a good one.